Okay, hi. I'm making this quick video for a few of you are still having trouble uploading and putting your files on the homework server and then submitting. So let me just go through the process really quickly. Let me just start up a Visual Studio application. And I'm going to create a new project. Okay, the first thing you want to do is, as you're creating the project, Visual Basic Windows Form application, give it a name. So I'm going to call mine Simple App. All right. You can use whatever you want for yours, and up comes the typical interface. Okay, so you do all your work, create your buttons and your text boxes according to the project specifications. You create your code. Okay, so do whatever you need to do within your application. Now, I think what some of you are doing, and I'm not sure, I can't really figure it out, but I believe you're going to File and then Save Form. All right, that's not what you want to do. All right, what you want to do is Save All. That's the key. So Save All, and what that's going to do is it's going to create. Now notice when you go to Save All, it gives you the name of the app, which you can change at this point, and it also tells you exactly where it's saving it. In my case, it's saving it in my Documents folder under Visual Studio 2010/projects. So you want to save all, and you can also use this button right up here for Save All. So I think what's happening is some of you are saving your form instead of saving all, which is the entire project. Okay, so we've created our project. It works. We've debugged it. We've followed all the elements of design. So the next thing you want to do is you want to find it on your computer. So a couple of ways to get to it. Now remember, I said it was in my Documents folder, and if you go to here and then Documents, you'll get your Documents library. There should be a Visual Studio 2010 folder there, which has your projects. And now these are all the projects I've been working on, but the one that we just saved was Simple App, right? So I believe you can copy it, entire folder, and you probably want to take a look in there, but copy it. And then what we're going to do is fire up WinSCP, which I have here on my desktop. Hopefully you've created a shortcut to homework, but if not, it's easy. You just type in SFTP, host name is homework, 2222 is your port. I have a private key file. You're not gonna. You probably want to put your username and your password here and save it. All right, so I'm just going to log in here because I like to log in as I have sort of a test user that I use, so jschmo is my alias on the homework server, and I'm logged in now. This is the interface I get with WinSCP, and here's in my home jschmo directory, and you should default to your home directory. There's CIS 125 proj. What you need to do is, if you're submitting project 2, you're going to create a new directory called proj2, and it's lowercase, right? That's going to be due in a couple of weeks. What I'm going to do is create a new directory called HW2 for homework 2. And some of you are going to be submitting homework 3 this week. But anyway, homework 2, go into that folder, and now you should be able to, okay, it didn't let me paste it in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag it from here directly into that folder. And make sure, now I'm inside WinSCP, make sure that there's simpleapp.sln, that's the key, and that there's a directory right next to it. Inside that directory is all the stuff that I need in order to test the execution of your program. Alright, so we've created the application, we've saved it on our local disk, we've copied it over to the homework folder in the homework server in the correct directory. Alright, now as soon as that's all there, the last step, which is just kind of a helper for me, is you go to the main website, faculty.genesee.edu/kjmead, navigate your way to the programming and problem solving site, submit a project, type in your username, jschmo in my case, and I'm not going to tell you the password, and homework, we just uploaded homework 2, so go to homework 2, submit project now, and I've already submitted it as J Schmo, so I'm submitting it again. Listen, I don't care, as long as it gets submitted, you can submit it as many times as you want. This sends me an email, it timestamps your folder, and it copies it over to a separate place for me to look at a later time. So hopefully this clarifies the problems that a few of you have been having. Okay, that's all I have for you.